Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae, and today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest baked steak fries. These potato wedges are unbelievably crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. So delicious. And I'm going to share with you super genius trick that I learned from America's Test Kitchen. This trick ensures super crispy crust on your potatoes, and nobody will guess it's baked, but it uses really little oil, but you produce a super crispy crust, and I can't wait to share with you. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need potatoes, smoked paprika, it adds beautiful color, cornstarch, and garlic powder, a little bit oil and cooking spray, and water. And we'll start with chopping the potatoes into wedges. I like it thick, big wedges because I love the inside, the fluffy inside with the crispy outside. I'll show you how to slice it. You have the potatoes, and then sometimes I quarter them, sometimes I cut them into thirds just to get the nice thick wedges. So I cut all my potato wedges, and we're going to put it in a bowl of water, and then we will soak it in the water for at least 1 hour. This way we'll remove as much starch on the outside, which will help crisp up the potato on the outside. And then meanwhile, we'll work on our secret ingredient. So we take 3/4 cup of water, and then add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I know this sounds really bizarre, but trust me, it works beautifully. And then we'll add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then mix it together. And then we'll microwave it for about 1 minute, stirring every 20 seconds or so. And then this liquid will turn into this gelatinous mass. It will look really weird. Make sure to stir it every 20 seconds though, and I'll show you how it looks once we come back. So it's been 1 minute in the microwave, and the mixture is super thick and gelatinous. It looks really weird, but it works. Into this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. This mostly adds nice color to the potatoes. And then I add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. It adds flavor. Who doesn't love garlic potatoes, right? Now we'll go ahead and mix it all together. Stay with me, guys. This is really weird, but it actually works beautifully. So the mixture is ready, and I'm going to drain the potatoes, and then we'll add this mixture over the potatoes and coat them before we bake. So I drained the potatoes, and I'm going to pat them dry with a paper towel, just to remove all excess moisture. I'll add this really weird cornstarch mixture. Trust me, it works. Looks really weird, I know. And then we'll just coat all the potatoes in the mixture. Potatoes are all nicely coated. I'm going to go wash my hand and prepare the sheet pan and arrange this potatoes on the baking pan. So the potatoes are ready, and I'll prepare the baking sheet. You can bake this potato wedges in the oven, or you can also use air fryer. Air fryer works beautifully. But anyway, I'll show you how to prepare the baking sheets. America's Test Kitchen also advised to use this cooking spray, and it does make a difference. Before you add oil, spray everything with a cooking spray, and then add a little bit vegetable oil. We don't need much, just to coat it. And I did try this without cooking spray, with just oil, and my potatoes were stuck a little more than I like. Baking sheet is ready, and I'm going to arrange all the potatoes. I also preheating my oven to 425 degrees, and then we'll be baking these potatoes on the lowest rack, okay? So the potatoes are all arranged on the baking sheet, and I'm going to bake them for about 30 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. Halfway through, I'm going to flip them over on the other side so that they can crisp up on the other side too. So now for air frying, I like to spray this olive oil, and then arrange the potatoes, and then I like to spray more olive oil on top right before start cooking them. So here are a few advantages of cooking of the air fryer. One, they cook much faster. Usually I cook them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, turning halfway. So at 7 minutes, I turn them around, cook them another 7 minutes, and the potatoes are cooked within 15 minutes, whereas oven cooks it in 30 minutes. So that's the advantage. The only downside with the air fryer, with my air fryer, is that you're not gonna make too many potatoes. But then that could be an advantage too, because you're gonna be eating them a lot. So I'm going to give it another coat of oil, just a little bit. And then, like I said, 15 minutes at 400 degrees, flipping them halfway. My fries are ready. It smells amazing. Who is hungry? I want you to hear this, how crispy they are. Can you hear this? And let's compare with the air fried ones now. The fries are ready. Listen to this. Super crispy. Just look at that. Super crispy crust. I made my honey mustard sauce here too for dipping, and it's going to be amazing. I'll show you the inside. So fluffy and soft. Let me try it. So good, super soft and crispy. I really hope you give it a try, and let me know if you do in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. How is it? Yummy?